Hello everyone, welcome back to the Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is our 55th session in the journey. Alright then, we'll start with the printing options. So when Microsoft Excel 2010 was released, Microsoft introduced a new feature called the page layout view. Now, if you work inside of Microsoft Word, you can view it in page layout view. Microsoft Word document and you see individual pages. But when you view on Excel worksheet, it's just a big mass of columns and rows. You don't really see where the content is going to fit on a page. We saw earlier that we could do file, print, and then go back out to the worksheet, and we can see those little gray dashed lines, right? And that will help represent where the pages breaks are happening. What individual pages will look like with your content. Well, the page layout view takes it even a step further. Take a look at this. So if I go back to my normal view, normal worksheet view, and then going to go up to my view tab, top of the screen there, and towards the left hand side I have got the workbook views. Yours might be on the far left, yours might be pushed over a little bit just based on what version of Excel you have. I'm currently looking at normal view, this one. Standard view that you will have inside of Excel. It's just a big mass of columns and rows like we have been working with. Just to the right, we got a couple of options and we have got the page layout. So this is a page layout. I'm going to just zoom out a little bit, but now we literally get to see the individual pages, right? And the nice thing about this one over those little dash gray lines that we saw earlier is you get to see the margins right there, where the margins fall on that page as well. We didn't see that, which is the little gray lines, but little individual pages. So I can adjust the chart a little bit better. Can I find that middle of the page? I can find that in the middle. I can my smart art graphic here, that definitely needs to be adjusted. I think that's looking pretty good. But this is your page layout view, again kind of similar to working inside of Microsoft Word document, where you see individual pages anyway, at least by default. And if you want to get back into the normal worksheet view, it's just back to the view tab and we have got the normal view. That will take you back to your standard working environment of your Microsoft Excel worksheet. But I love the page break preview or the page layout preview. Go to the view, page layout, and individual pages. Very nice. Kind of eyeball it before you send it to the printer, and make sure it's looking good and what you want it to display as. Maybe you want that chart to scale up. I can see literally see where the edge of the pages are at. Maybe the same thing with my smart art here. Let's scale up that bad boy and show it off. So that's smart and nice. So let's again get back into the file, print. This is my spreadsheets. There's my nice big smart art, and there's my chart. Very sleek. So try this out. Just view, get into your workbook views and messing around with page layout view, individual pages. You can see where they are at. You can even adjust columns, widths, row heights, adjust all of that live right here. Get a nice preview for it. So try that out. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright then, we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.